What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. And in today's episode, we're going to be going over a product that was just sent to me by my good friends over there at Turtle Wax. Turtle Wax sent me their new hybrid solution product. It is a mist interior detailer and a mist cleaner, conditioner, and protector. So let's jump into the video, see what these products are all about. All right, so the first product we're gonna do is going to be the interior detailer. So now this product can go on anything in the interior. The dashboard, the wood trim, your infotainment screen, your controllers, everything in the interior you can use this product on. So you may be saying, okay, it's just another interior cleaner. But the thing that makes this special is that it uses a mist application. Now mist is very fine and it creates an even spread of the product. Unlike some of the other traditional sprayers, you get more of a splotchy type of sprayer. It's inconsistent, it's uneven. So a lot of times it leaves streaks. Another thing about this is that it's non-greasy and UV protective. So what that means is going to leave a finish that is non-greasy to the touch. It should maintain a nice even coat, nothing too extravagant as far as the shine. A lot of times people want that, because sometimes when you spray this interior detailer, you get a lot of grease build up. You know, you touch it, you got greasy hands or it's on your clothes and whatnot. Another bonus is that the interior detailer is actually safe on glass. So you can do your glass as well. That's a big thing. I mean, you can have essentially a whole cleaner in one product. And it deodorizes and leaves a clean smell. Clean smell is good, especially in the interior. A lot of times your windows are up when it's summertime, when it's hot, or in the winter as well. But your windows are up and you don't want a harsh smell. You want something that smells fresh, something that smells pleasant, so you're not in there feeling like you're about to pass out. So let me show you how you apply it and let's see the results. So to apply this, what you want to do is just spray it on there. Take a clean microfiber cloth. You can have one side as the wet side and the other side as the dry side. And we're just going to spray it on there. All right, so you see how it missed up? Then you just wipe it off. And like I said, it's good on all surfaces, so you can go over the whole door. I'm even spraying my vinyl wrap here, as you can see, and it's coming off really good, getting all the fingerprints. Any residue, no streaks, no greasy look, looks back to satin. And another features of this is if you want to do like a continuous burst, you would just pump it. So you can just go like this. And it never stops. All right, put a little bit too much right here, but you get the idea. It smells really fresh, really clean, nothing too overpowering. All right, so let me show you a little closer up so you can see the results. So as you can see, it leaves a really factory finish, nice, clean, not shiny, and not that greasy feeling that you can get from a lot of interior cleaners. So let's move on to some other areas of the car. All right, so as you can see, it leaves a really good finish. Sometimes on these shiny surfaces like this, you can get a lot of smear and streaks because it's so reflective, but the buttons are good. As you can see, the shiny part is streak free and just showing a good reflection, good shiny reflection. Instrument panel is nice and clean. A lot of times with this, you get greasy buttons after spraying your interior detailer or cleaner. But with the Turtle Wax Mist Detailer, it really has a factory feel, like a brand new car. You know, where it looks clean, but it's not shiny, overly shiny. It's just clean, dry, smooth finish. So as I mentioned, it's safe to put on your infotainment screen. So you can just spray it on there. And it just comes right off. It's really, really a good product. So an area that typically gets a lot of use is your armrest. This one is made of, I want to say leather, but it's that hard leather. but it still is very texture and it gets little dirt pockets. So let's see how it behaves on this. A lot of dirt came up out of here. And that's just the oils from your arms. Comes off really well without a lot of work, which is what I like. Once again, not shiny, not sticky, greasy, just perfect back to factory finish. And for me, that's what I like. So if you want that glossy, high finish, this is not the product for you. But if you want something that's non-greasy, non-shiny, factory appearance, then this is your product. Another thing that's pretty cool is that it doesn't take a lot of passes to wipe it off. So with that, it increases the speed in which it takes for you to clean your car. You don't have to spend all day wiping. Spray, couple passes, it's done. So next we have the Mist Leather Cleaner, Conditioner, and Protectant. This is another Mist product, so it goes on the same way as the interior detailer. It gives a nice mist over the whole seat and onto your leather. You don't have to worry about the dark spots that happen from it being not evenly distributed. So as you can tell, it's nice and dry, no greasy surface, feels like factory leather seats. And the shine is just how I like it. You don't necessarily have to be overly shiny. I like it subtle, kind of that satin finish. Being that this is a cleaner, conditioner, and protectant all in one, your time for treating your seats, your leather surfaces, will be a lot quicker. And if you're a detailer, this really comes in handy and will speed up your job time. So just like that, in one spray, I have cleaned it, conditioned it, and protected. This is a great product for that factory finish, clean look. All right, so there you have it. These both are great products, and a link to these products will be down in the description below. And if you want to see more car care products, reviews, check out the video right here. And remember, do it until you can't. Until next time, I'm out.